Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. Just before we go ahead and get started, please drop me a like and subscribe. I will be doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers, so just smash that subscribe button. So what we're going to be doing today is probably something I found really useful in my earlier days of working on cars, and that is removing just a stud. Now if you don't know what studs are, it's basically threaded into your engine or anywhere on the car, and it's got a nut on the end, and obviously you tighten it, but sometimes you want to remove them either to replace them with a higher strength one or just to change them out because they might be rusted. You can commonly find these on like your exhausts, your intake manifolds. You can even find them on your head studs. They're absolutely anywhere. So today the way I'm going to be showing you does not require any welding, does not require any drilling, any cutting, anything like that. This is the easiest way you can remove them, and you only need basic tools, not even that. So what do you actually need to do it? So you're going to want to get two nuts the same size as your thread, so you'll be able to thread on quite easily, and you're going to need a spanner that's the same size as the nut. Now this is optional, you don't always need it, but it always helps to have a pair of mold grips on just in case if the nuts do start spinning and you need to grab one. So we're going to jump outside and I'm going to show you the stud and show you exactly what you have to do. So first of all, you want to get your nuts threaded onto the stud. So now that you got your nuts on, you want to tighten the one furthest at the end, and you want to do that as if you're tightening the nut. Now if the one on the inside does start to spin, you want to use your mold grips to hold them so they don't spin. Then once you've got that nice and tight, you want to go ahead and go on the one on the inside and then turn that the other way as if you loosened it. And there you go, that is the stud completely removed. It's not sheared anything off, it's not cross threaded, and you can still take your nuts off. You just do what you did in reverse and that should work. So that came out nice and easy. That does really apply for any studs that you do try to remove. If you do want me to make a video on how to remove like a snap nut, or you've broke a head off and bolt or anything like that, drop me a subscribe and a like below and I'll show you a really easy way on how to remove anything like that, whether you've snapped it in your engine, you broke a wheel nut, or you've done anything of that nature. But if you did enjoy this video, drop me a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.